A full stop burpee isn't in the cards for you, then we've got the video for you. You can try doing burpees where you are stepping down and stepping up without using a jump at the top. You can do that same step down burpee by using your hands and kneeling down to give you a little more assistance, as doing both of these things together make it easier. You can also just do a half burpee where you go down to your knees and don't go all the way down to your ground and still come up to the top. Try doing a modified burpee on a bench where you go down to the bench and then come up just as if the bench were actually the ground. Another modified variation would be going down to the ground, doing a half push-up off your knees as if you were going down to the ground and then coming up like so. You can also have two benches and do that same modified burpee where you go down like so and then use those benches to help you push up. And practice doing a half burpee on a couch or a bench to mimic the same movement. You can try doing a full burpee on a couch or a bench to mimic the same movement. You can use a piece of wood or any device in front of you to practice that movement as well. You can attach a band around your waist from up above to allow you to have a little bit of assistance when you go down into that burpee position and all the way back up. Tie that same band around your arms so when you do the bottom position of the burpee, it gives you a little assistance off of your chest to get up easier off the ground.